Okay, disclaimer, I promise I won't look like this throughout the whole entire video. I literally just got back from the gym, so that's why I look beautiful right now. So today is part 3 of my moving out series. A lot of you guys wanted to see a video of my mom teaching me how to cook. I've tried cooking. I don't think I'm bad at it. I did it a couple times, and like, I mean, Elijah said the food was good, but then again, he could just be lying to me because he's my boyfriend. Anyway, so my mom's gonna come over today and she's gonna teach me how to cook a Hawaiian style dish. I'm pretty lazy to go get groceries right now, so I'm just gonna order it to my apartment. So I'm gonna go on this app called Instacart. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, but you guys can download it because if you download it, I get $10 and you get $10, so it's like a win-win here. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box, so if you guys sign up, you can give me $10 and I can give you $10, so. Okay, so everything in total costs $30. I want my things delivered to me within an hour. Anyway, so I'm gonna go check this out. I'm gonna wait for my groceries and then I'll see you guys when they get here. So now it's currently 6:13 and my mom's here with Mahea.
Of course, Mahea.
You gotta tell her, say hi.
Say hi, Mahea. Say hi.
Y'all remember when my mom said this?
Well, better not be a puppy, because I don't want it. I'm gonna throw in the trash. It's trash tomorrow.
Oh, how the tables have turned. And today my mom's gonna teach me how to cook. So today we're making
Loco Moco with macaroni salad.
Tell them like how to make it, like what's in it, like what is.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make it.
If you guys haven't known already, I'm living by myself now. My mom usually cooks me dinner every single day, so now that I'm living on my own, I have to cook my dinner myself. So today my mom's teaching me a dish that she usually makes for me.
Okay, I need containers. Where are your bowls? How are we gonna mix that? What's your bowls? Big bowls.
I don't have any big bowls.
What do you have? Okay, wash your hand.
I have this.
Really, Kayla?
I literally don't have any bowls.
There's nothing in here. I need paper towel.
That's all the paper towels I have now. It's so hard to do this with these nails. I can't peel this with my nails.
It takes so long.
Because it's hard to do it with these nails.
There's a trick of doing that. Oh my gosh, Kayla, make it smaller.
What are you doing now?
I put salt and pepper. Okay, put that here.
Okay.
Can you say that?
My mom is so green for this. She literally is putting me on the spotlight because she knows I don't know how to read. You do. Worcestershire sauce.
Tell them that the bread is soaked with milk.
The bread is soaked with milk.
Okay, did you wash your hand?
Yeah, but I can't do that. I can't mix it with my nails.
Then how are you gonna cook this next time? Your nails is gonna go with your patties. Okay, where's your pan? Those small little pan, how we're gonna cook like...
I have a big pan somewhere.
By the time next year, it's gonna be done cooking. Well, you know what? Cook that macaroni noodles.
It's not noodles.
It is.
No, they're not. They're elbow macaronis. They're not noodles.
Yeah, it's noodles.
Mom, these aren't shaped. These are called elbows. Those aren't noodles. Look what she's doing. That's gonna fall on you, Mahea.
She wants to cook on it.
Do I put the whole box?
Not yet. You boil the water first and put oil after. Put oil right now.
I only have vegetable oil.
That's fine. Put it on high so it's faster. You know why we put oil on that?
No.
So they won't stick together.
Wow.
Wow, you learned something? Oh.
Mahea! This is parsley, right?
Yeah. Kayla, that's not how you do it. You just pick maybe a couple of them.
This is so boring.
Okay, you want to make the patties?
No wonder I don't want to cook. See, by then, if I order food...
Why are you putting your trash there? That's where you're going to put the parsley after.
Oh.
You put it. Oh my gosh, Kayla!
What?
You gotta make room. Now you're just cooking one patty.
Okay, here. Oh, these carrots look deformed. Okay,
do you have a grater?
No.
Oh my gosh, Kayla. How are we? Goodbye right now.
I'm gonna get a nose job.
No.
Yeah,
Why do you need a nose job?
because my nose is broken.
It's not broken.
Yeah,
you want
it
me to break it? For real?
Yeah, if you break it, the insurance company can cover it. No, like the hump on it looks so weird.
What's wrong with the? There's nothing
Yeah,
in there.
yeah, she's such a liar, guys. Look, can you see the hump?
I don't see it.
The little bump right
I don't.
here. You're such a liar. How are you gonna tell me you can't see it? It's so, like, it's so
I do
obvious.
not see it.
What happened to my nose? Why did everyone else's nose come out nice except mine?
My nose didn't turn out right.
Yeah, because you broke your nose.
You should be thankful. Yours is
Broken.
no, it's not broken.
Mom, look, you're fine. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I do not see it.
Yes, you do.
You're insecure.
No, I'm not.
Why didn't we just cook it at home?
So I didn't want to drive all the way there.
Well, you pick me up. That's the same thing. What's your dead plant?
I threw it away. What makes you think that you're gonna take care of it, Mom? All your plants are dead too.
They're not.
Yeah, they are.
Cook rice now.
How'd you get here?
Hey, your shoes.
I was carrying it.
I know, but take out your shoes.
Elijah's here now, guys. My mom's teaching me how to cook. Guess what we're making?
What's wrong with her?
I'm making burgers.
What is wrong with her? Huh? You're so skinny.
Are you gonna get it?
That means Kayla's not cooking for you, huh?
Shut up.
No soda for you, boy. What is that over there?
That's Kayla's.
That's not. That's not my
Why
soda.
are you drinking sodas?
That's yours.
Okay, one of them is mine and the other is yours.
You're such a liar. She was like,
Why are
whose
you
soda
lying?
is that? I was like, oh,
Why is that to your mom? I don't need a lie to your mom.
that's your soda.
Yeah, you're right. One of them is my soda.
Both of them are your soda. I don't drink soda.
Why do you buy more fake plants?
Because I like them.
How many fake plants do you need?
A lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God, you have like 20? That's a lot of fake plants. I am putting gravy.
That's flour.
I'm making gravy, I mean.
See, do you guys see where I got my speech problems from?
Who's prettier?
What the? Me, I'm younger.
No. Really?
Yes, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast or lunch.
Okay, now I'm putting chicken stuff. Is it on?
Yeah.
We're supposed to be beef stuff, but you don't have one, so this is fine. Ow! Stupid, you just splash it all everywhere.
Just do it. Just go like this. Okay. Go like that.
What?
Go like this. Throw this up like that and go. Like, go. That's. Okay, I'm gonna throw it to you. I'm gonna...
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Thank you.
I can do that. I can
Yeah, you
do that.
can.
Yes, I can. I'm so scared. Ah! I popped.
Yeah, you guys should get married already. Are you guys laughing?
Why are you laughing? You don't want to marry me?
Okay, I'm putting spoon. Spoon of sugar.
She'll cut it up.
Check that out.
No, now you guys know
Tila.
where I got my speech problems from. It's from her. See?
I got a spoon of sugar. I wasn't done, stupid. Here you go. Kayla's stupid. Okay, you guys need to put the dishes away.
Put them
Why
away.
should I put the dishes away?
Okay.
This dog is
I think
so...
these are yours.
Stop! Shut up!
Why did you steal my
Why'd you steal
Because I didn't want to buy scissors. You have like 5 scissors. Leave, Mom. Hurry.
Bye, bye.
Look.
Bye.
Bye. Right here? Oh gosh.
Okay, put it down. Put it down.
Dinner's done.
Okay, she's gonna assemble the plate.
Okay, so this is locomocos.
They're in there.
Put your head on my
How does it taste?
We should get a dinner table.
You never even said hi to the camera. Oh. Say hi, Tara. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. You have to talk.
What do you want me to say?
Just say, okay, that's the end of the video. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. You go.
See?
What the heck?
Okay. Come here, baby. Come here.
That's you.
I literally don't know what I did to her.